So if they had it on there for strength, why is this in this corner? Look at this chunk right there, guys. Look at that chunk just come out of there. Alright, so think of me, what are you mad, maybe crazy? See those lips? I want all of this flush. I mean, yeah, you don't see this, but it's just the way I do my builds, guys. What's that lip there? Okay, around here where the bolt goes through there, I could flush that out, but I will leave that alone. But now, this is all pretty much done up. Alright, so that's only 10-15 minutes worth of work. Look like I can hit this just a little bit more right in there and get this smooth like this. But yeah, I'm gonna come in and do that and get that side looking like this side. But just showing you there, guys, this is the corner that had that big nibbit in there. So I got that all grinded down. And I'm going to have them polish this. It is like some areas in here that I will still hit. But that's pretty much it, guys. So now these heads are pretty much ready to be took on in with the rest of the engine and going to get this, start getting this baby done. Now, I'm going to come in and show you the difference in these valve sizes here. Alright, so he said he called these stage 1 valves. So I don't know if this is the size that came in the regular GM stage 1, guys. But let me put that on top of there. See if I can get the camera to see those valves. Those valves is a little bit bigger than the ones that came out of that 455 at first, guys. So that's the difference in the valves there. Alright, guys, so oh, it's pretty sharp around that edge. Alright, guys, so even look at this one here. Those valves are just trying to center them up here the best I can. But the valves are just bigger. See that? All the way around. That valve is just bigger, guys. So that's what we got, guys. So yeah, these stage 1 valves from TA Performance, guys, they just a bigger valve, guys, all the way around. So alright, guys, so if you like these builds, like, share, and subscribe, guys, and continue following the builds, guys, and just bigger. And watch those commercials too if you can, guys. It helps me out. Alright, thanks a lot.